Hi, my name is Katie Hunt, and for the last 15 years, I've had a personal passion for helping my clients get in shape, release weight, burn fat, gain muscle, increase their health, and help them hunt down a way to stay fit. But more importantly, the passion I have is breaking it down really simple. Let's face it, as people, we overcomplicate our jobs, our businesses, our marriages, our parenting, and of course, our health. Well, I'm here to tell you to stop overanalyzing and stop wasting your precious time because your answer is right here. Go ahead, look down below. Look down below. This is one of my clients and good friend, Christy. Christy is a mother of 5 children, works 2 businesses, and was highly stressed, causing dangerously high blood pressure. So do me a favor, look over to your right. Look over to your right. Enter your first name and email address to see Christy's incredible results now. So regardless of what your weight and health goals are, I promise to show you how to get the results you're looking for today. I'll see you on the other side.